So Courtney, what are we making today? We've got Tabasco sauce, pineapple, green beans from the garden.
We are making a Tutti Frutti spicy green bean salad.
Hi, I'm Debbie.
And I'm Courtney.
Welcome to the home of Almost Vegan Cooking School. Well, I don't know if you're like me, but in the summertime, I usually don't like to spend too much time in the kitchen because it's just so gorgeous outside. So this recipe really comes together very quickly. We've prepped everything that's going into the Tutti Frutti salad. This is how I prepare a pineapple. I'm going to take off the top as well as the bottom. Now there's eyes all the way around, and I want to bring my knife in and remove that part because that's the bitter tasting part of the pineapple. It's nice and clean. And this is the core of the pineapple. You'll see a round peg almost, and I'm going to bring the knife right down through the center of that. And once again, and then I can slice it right from the top all the way through the core and remove that piece. I'm cleaning up a few of the eyes that I missed. Now they have a nice flat surface to work with, and you can decide how you want to slice next. In this case, we're just going to create some cubes for our fruit salad. And that's just one way to slice a pineapple. Now, with the exception, you wanted to mention the green beans, right?
The green beans, right. We want the green beans to be boiled for just a couple minutes. You should test them along the way because we want them to maintain a little bit of their crispness. Drain them and immediately rinse them with cold water or put them in an ice bath, and that stops the cooking process so they maintain that tenderness.
And bright green, the bright green
Yes.
color.
Yes.
There's no time really for the green beans. It's gonna depend on how tender or how tough they are. Could be a couple minutes, it could be 8 minutes, it could even be 13 minutes or so, depending on where they came from.
So all of these delicious vegetables are growing in the garden.
Wow, I really think this is a lot of fun. And you know, it's kind of Italian too. That's why I named it Tutti Frutti, because it's all the fruit going into the bowl with a little bit of savory vegetables. And I've got a little bit of parsley here. And we're gonna put this as a garnish on top. And the dressing, the only thing is juice from the melon, a lemon, and
some hot sauce. And while you're prepping the melon, all that fresh juice is going to be coming out, so save that, and we just add that on top as well. That's great. And you could add some of that parsley while I add some of the Tabasco.
okay. Is this good, or do you want it a little finer?
That looks perfect. And you can kind of wing it with the Tabasco. Taste it, see how you like it. I know I like it hot, so I add a lot. This is a great recipe to bring to a summer barbecue or a picnic. It travels really well. And you can make it in advance, and then all those juices mingle together in the fridge. So our Tutti Frutti green bean salad is ready, and it is delicious either cold or at room temperature.
It's so colorful too. We just thought we'd give you a couple of ideas on how to do a buffet with this. And if you'll look at the recipe, we only used half of a melon. This is just another idea to use. The other half is just to cut it up in wedges.
And the flowers are such a nice touch too.
Yeah, just a little bit of summer. We hope you enjoyed our time together.
And if you like cooking with plants, be sure to visit almostvegancookingschool.com and enroll in our online cooking course.
It's all in an effort to heal our bodies, heal each other, and heal our world. One recipe at a time.